Welcome to V2U Research. Today is Wednesday, the 22nd of April 2026. We're breaking down a challenging session for the Australian market as the ASX 200 faced significant headwinds. The S&P ASX 200 index closed the day at 8,043.6, marking a drop of 105.8 points. That represents a 1.18% decline, extending what has been a volatile week for local investors. Over the last 5 trading days, the index has now shed 1.50% of its total value. Crucially, the market now sits 3.90% below its 52-week high, indicating a cooling-off period. Interestingly, a sharp rise in US futures failed to lift local sentiment during our session. Traders largely dismissed President Trump's pledge to extend the Iran ceasefire indefinitely. Let's look at the technicals. From this perspective, the index is at a critical juncture. We continue to hold above the key support zone located near 8,083.2. On the flip side, near-term resistance is holding firm around 9,200.9. This is the key level for bullish participants to watch if we are to see a recovery. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is currently sitting at approximately 52.01. This suggests that momentum is currently neutral to slightly bullish despite the daily drop. The current range to watch remains between that 8,383.2 support and 9,200.9 resistance. This range-bound movement highlights a period of consolidation and uncertainty in the market. Meanwhile, Australia's leading index stayed weak throughout March. The index has been weighed down by the persistence of higher interest rates. Surging fuel costs are also a major factor, tied directly to the ongoing Middle East conflict. These costs are trickling down, impacting consumer sentiment and discretionary spending. Sector performance during the session was decidedly mixed, with 7 of 11 sectors closing lower. Healthcare was by far the worst performing sector, correcting by a sharp 6.01%. Financials also struggled, closing down 2.26% as bank stocks faced selling pressure. Consumer discretionary lost 0.82% as the market re-evaluates spending power. Energy rounded out the significant losers, falling 0.74% on global price volatility. On the upside, consumer staples was the best performer, gaining 1.07%. This sector has been a defensive haven, gaining 2.82% over the past 5 sessions. Information technology also managed a small win, rising 0.34% today. Turning to individual stocks, there were some massive moves in specific names today. Treasury Wine Estates Limited was the standout performer, surging a remarkable 16.54%. New Hope Corporation Limited also saw strong demand, rising 5.46% by the close. Conversely, Cochlear Limited recorded a massive decline, falling 40.70% in a single day. Generation Development Group Limited also saw heavy selling, dropping 22.60%. These individual stock movements highlight the importance of bottom-up research in this market. Looking ahead, there are several key data points that market participants will be monitoring. First is the upcoming US crude oil inventories data, which tracks barrel changes. The level of these inventories influences petroleum prices, which directly impacts inflation. We also have Australia unemployment rate data coming up, a vital sign of labour demand. This will provide crucial information about the strength of the domestic economy. In times of volatility like this, managing risk and staying informed is more important than ever. If you found this ASX market wrap useful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Turn on notifications so you never miss our regular market updates and insights. Feel free to share your stock watch list in the comments below. We want to know what you're tracking. Consider joining our paid plans for exclusive research and deep dives into the ASX landscape. Always remember to trade responsibly and manage your risk carefully. Thank you for watching V2U Research. We'll see you in the next market update.
Disclaimer: the information contained in this publication is general in nature and has been prepared without taking into account your objectives, financial situation, or needs. It is provided by Titan Securities, holder of Australian Financial Services, license number 307040. It is not intended to constitute personal financial advice. Investing and trading involve risk, and past performance is not a reliable indicator of future performance. You should consider your own objectives, financial situation, and needs before acting on any information contained herein. You should also read our financial services guide and, where relevant, the product disclosure statement and target market determination issued by the product provider. These documents are available upon request. Titan Securities accepts no liability for any loss or damage arising from reliance on this information.